Playback for Pahalgam. Turkish drones to Chinese missiles, India beat them all. Integrated air defense system stood like a wall. Sky remains our. All our military bases, all our systems continue to remain fully operational. They are ready to undertake any future missions should the need arise, said Air Marshal Bharti. New Delhi. From Turkish drones to Chinese missiles and possibly even a few Pakistani aircraft, all were thwarted by India's integral multi-layered air defense network. During 3 days of intense hostilities, top military officers said on Monday, our integrated air defense system stood like a wall and the Pakistani could not breach it. Whether it is Turkish drones or anything else, it fails in front of our technological Rajiv India. Director General of Operations Air Marshal A.K. Bharti said. The sky remains our with a relatively impregnable AD shield was underlying message of briefing is just with his Army and Navy counterparts Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai and Vice Admiral A.N. Pramod on Monday. All our military bases, all our systems continue to remain fully operational. They are ready to undertake any future missions should the need arise, Air Marshal Bharti said. The officer showed evidently photos of Pakistani having used Chinese manned PL-15 LR beyond visual range air-to-air missiles as well as Turkish version Baykar Ya Kamikaze and Sea Squad Songar drones apart from long-range rockets, lighter munitions and quadcopters. Most of them were shot down by Indian AD systems, while other one had got through caused only minimal damage. Whenever Pakistan Air Force attacked us, it failed in front of our AD grid, Lieutenant General Ghai said. As reported by TOI earlier, AD network of surveillance and target acquisitions radars and a wide array of weapon systems are all plugged into integrated air command and control system (CAIF) and a steer system to provide composite real-time in-air picture to the armed forces. Network stretches from the long-range Russian S-400 trimmed surface-to-air system 300 km interception range and Barak 8 medium range SAM system 70 km jointly developed the trial to the shoulder-fired Igla-S missile 6 km and indigenous integrated drone detection and interdiction system 1 to 2 km. The indigenous ACALS system, which is capable of intercepting hostile aircraft, helicopters and drones at range of 25 km, falls in between. Another highlights has been stellar performance of indigenous AD weeping unlike CAS Air Marshal Bharti said. The IAF, as reported by Times of India earlier, has inducted the bulk of 15 squadron of Akash 1 Akash 2 system. It has ordered for ₹10,900 crore. The Army in turn has 4 Akash regiments worth ₹22,740 crore, with more than in pipeline. A new generation Akash weapon system with an interception range of 30 km is also ready for the final trial. The senior IAS officer also praised the performance of efficiency of advantated by even older AD system like Pichora missiles, Osa AK, and low-level L-70-80 anti-aircraft guns to 1 km in country countering the Pakistani threat. Victors of 300 to 400 drones launched by Pakistani across the entire Eastern Front. On May 8, for instance, 50 were destroyed by L-70 and GU-MM twin-barrel guns and other such weapons. Another 20 drones were jammed and spoofed by ATF devices, while the rest flew back across border. At the other end of spectrum, the Pakistani high-speed missile was intercepted over Sirsa by Advanced AD Missile System on May 10. Through the Navy's Far Middle Fleet, where the system mechanism did not come into play in the northern area, Agency Vice Admiral Pramod said the presence of aircraft carrier NS Vikrant battle group with MiG-29 flights on early copters compelled the Pakistan Air Force to remain bottled up close to the Makran coast.